American Muffler Shop.
He does a lot of hot rods.
Yeah.
There's always something cool there. And I spent a lot of time with the nonprofit. I mean, that's pretty much all of my time is the nonprofit type stuff.
And you get to show cars while you do it.
Yeah, and I show cars.
What's up, everyone? I'm Dwayne. I'm a dude with an auto-tude. Today I'm here with my friend Kurt showing off Cherry Bomb, his 1963 Volkswagen Bug. Are y'all ready for this? Let's get into it. Kurt, thanks for joining me today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Tell us about Cherry Bomb.
So she's a 1963 Volkswagen convertible. We've had her, I think we've had her about 4 years. We bought her from a couple on the northwest side of Wichita. And it was just basically a garage fixture for like 15 years. They didn't do anything with it, barely drove it. So I'm the president of Bug-O-Rama ICT Incorporated, 501c3, non-for-profit. We raise money for crippled children and for veterans.
And you guys have those shows. I see them all the time.
Yeah, we do a big spring show, a German spring show. We do a May open show. And then this year we're having our 16th annual German show in October.
What size engine does this have?
This has a 1600 dual port engine in it.
And is it the original engine that would have come out?
No, I believe this car would have had a 1300 cc, maybe a 1200 or a 1300. I have the original motor in my shop.
Okay.
And it's just weak. And
Yeah.
so a couple years ago we put a 1600 dual port engine in it.
Okay, I bet that's made a difference.
Yeah, it's snappy. It's fun.
So stance, how'd you lower it?
Yeah, stance-wise, we lowered the rear about 5 inches. We just did a torsion bar adjustment, just a static adjustment. That's why the wheels are cambered like they are, because it's a swing axle.
Right.
And then the front of it, we did a 2.5-inch drop spindles and then a 4-inch adjustable beam. And
Okay.
so the front we've lowered about 6 inches. And then, of course, like I said, it's been narrowed 4, so 2 on each side.
Right. Tuck them in a little bit.
Yeah, you had to tuck them in so the wheels would not hit the fenders when we turn corners.
What kind of wheels are you running on this?
These are just it's a California import wheel, a 5 wide. We bought them at, actually I bought them from a buddy of mine in Derby off of his 63 sedan, because he turned around and he bought a set of Fuchs for his car, and I can't afford the Fuchs. So
Right.
these were the next best investment.
They look real nice.
Yeah, thank you.
I like them. Are those 15s?
Yeah, those are 15. They're 15 205s, 5-inch
Okay.
wide. Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun to drive.
Convertible.
Yeah. The convertible top is not the original, but it's in really good shape. I think the people that had it before I bought it from them, someone else had done a top on it. And it's in pretty good shape, but it's probably 20 years old.
Right.
But we like it with the top down all the time.
Do you ever put the top up? I don't think I've ever seen it up.
We've had it up a few times when we're off to a car show early in the morning and it's kind of chilly out. But other than that, the top's always down. Unless it's outside in our shop lot here,
Right.
then I'll put the top up and put a cover over it
Yeah.
so it doesn't get rained on. We don't like to get it wet.
No, I wouldn't either.
Yeah.
Definitely. It's really a pretty car, and I like the name you chose for it.
That was
It's perfect.
fitting. you
Very
know?
fitting.
Yeah. So it's a lot of fun.
Well, I'd like to hear it run.
Okay, I can do that.
All right. Reminds me of my 68 back then.
It smells good.
It does. Oh, you got to finagle the
Yeah, I gotta
for the height.
hit it sideways.
It's nice having this large drive.
Oh yeah.
it.
Yeah. Now you want to go anywhere special?
We can go up and around and come back and forth a couple times because he'll get us on the drone.
Okay.
Kevin's American Muffler Shop.
He does a lot of hot rods.
Yeah.
There's always something cool there.
Oh, this is cool. I think this is the lowest car I've ridden in.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So I moved to Wichita in 1990.
Oh, yeah?
Just getting ready to be a senior in high school. I lived in California.
Okay.
I was right in the middle of the whole mini truck phase.
Right.
It was getting popular. And I had lowered a 78 Toyota pickup truck. I had a long bed truck. I put a snug top sleeper on it, like a camper shell. And then I had gone behind the back seat in the cabin. I cut it all out. And I booted it so you could go to the bed from the inside the truck. And it sat an inch and a quarter off the ground.
Oh, man.
And I drove it from California to Wichita when I was 15 years old.
Oh, wow.
My dad had an 84 Lincoln Town Car, and him and I played follow the leader from California to Wichita. And I'm pretty sure, I know at least at my high school, I was the only person in our school with a lowrider. And
coming from California.
yep. And I used to park my truck in the faculty parking lot because that was the only one I could get into, because all the student parking had speed bumps.
Oh,
I couldn't get over any of them.
They don't want to. They do that to the students.
Yeah, and I don't know how many times I was written up, and I was threatened that they were going to suspend me from school because I was parking in the faculty parking lot. And the principal kept telling me, "It's not my problem. Your vehicle's so low. You can't park there, because if we let you park there, we have to let everybody park there."
Right.
And I parked there anyways.
This thing is fun.
Oh, it's a blast. I know I can't drive through there.
No. It looks like it's dished pretty good.
Yeah. So no, I've always had a love of a lowrider, and had a lot of cars and did a lot of different trucks. I did a mini truck back in the 90s that I painted.
Right.
I'll get you. I have them all on 35 millimeter.
Yeah, I have to take a look at that too.
Yeah, it was cool. I painted at a body shop out in Andover. As a kid, that's all I did was paint cars and did stuff. And I worked for this guy for a while, and we had basically like a paint off. There was 3 of us in the shop: the owner, me, and another guy.
Yeah.
And we all painted a vehicle, and we went to the Hayesville Fall Festival
cars while you do it.
Yeah, and I show cars, and we take this. We've been to, we go to Arkansas every year, Oklahoma, Missouri. We go throughout Kansas. We generally hit somewhere between about 30 to 40 car shows a year. And we just don't go to Volkswagen car shows or German shows. We go to the open shows. We go to everything that everybody else goes to. And, and it's fun. We meet a lot of people.
Well, I've seen this thing around. Been meaning to talk to you for a while. I know we were at the, I saw you over there at the indoor automobilia show.
Oh.
You guys had a booth over there, and I ended up having one over there. And, but it seemed so busy, and
Oh yeah.
trying to walk around. That was quite the weekend.
This was probably the best year for our nonprofit at Automobilia, because we got to be inside and there was so much inside traffic. We actually we raised almost $700 inside of Century 2 with our booth, because we did that spinning wheel and we were giving stuff away, and
Right.
in order to spin the wheel, you had to donate money. And so it was kind of like we had like a $5 suggested donation, but we had people give us a buck or two.
It adds up. It all adds up.
Yeah.
It's all for a good cause.
Yeah, and so it was a ton of fun. But traditionally with the outdoor automobilia show, we're 350, 400, 450 is about the best we've ever done.
Yeah.
So I'm a fan, and I vote for Automobilia's indoor show next year, because
Yeah, I liked it.
Josh gave me the best real estate I could have. We've been friends like 15 years, and he non-profits himself, so
Yep.
he's like, hey, pick where you want to go, do what you want to do.
Yep, it's very,
And
very good, very
So,
good.
it works out real good.
I'm looking forward to Bug-O-Rama. That'll be my first, so I'll be sure to make that this year.
Yeah, it's a ton of fun.
Get some footage and yeah. I really like the ivory accessories.
Oh, yeah.
It really stands out nicely.
And that's all original. None of that's been changed.
Oh, wow.
In
Yeah.
fact, I had originally, I pulled the stereo out, and I was like, I'm going to pull the stereo out, and I'm going to put in a sound system. And
Right.
I pulled it out, and I got to looking at it, and I was like, it had
Didn't
all
look
the
right.
No, it had all the German markings on the back from 1963.
Oh,
And I was like, yeah, you're going back in the car. And so
Yeah.
it's not hooked up, it won't turn on, but it's the original.
But it looks good.
Yeah. And in 1963, they put a speaker here and a stereo. That was it.
That's all you needed.
That's all you
Just
need.
for you.
Yeah, exactly. And so someone, whoever we bought it from, or the people before them, the speaker's missing. But at least I've got the original appearance
Yes.
of what it's supposed to look like. So I'll probably end up putting in like a Bluetooth remote stereo that I can hide in the glove box.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
And I'll
Or
put a
the
couple of
seat
6x9s or something in the back. And
yeah.
we'll do something, but I really don't. Even in my daily driver in my pickup truck, I don't really listen to the radio when I drive. I'm a weirdo. I drive in silence.
I do that too. Some days.
I got issues, I guess. My
Yeah,
girlfriend's the opposite. She likes play it
Like
loud
some music.
music,
Yeah.
and it's got to be connected to her watch and her phone, and
Mm-hmm.
her voice is in her head and everything else. So. But whatever. So.
Oh, that's great.
But a lot of the times when I'm driving this, the top's down. I want to hear what's going on around me.
Oh,
'Cause,
yeah.
most of the people in this town, they all drive like they've never been to driving school. And if I'm sitting in here with a loud stereo and it's drowning out the rest of it around me.
Yeah, you need to be aware.
Yeah, I don't want someone to rear end me or.
Plus,
whatever.
you want to enjoy the sunshine, the
Sure.
air, all the sensory that
Yeah.
comes with the car, the engine,
all the noises,
the movement.
the creaks and the bangs. And
Yeah,
since it's
I mean,
so low
Really,
the
you want
ground.
all of it.
Yeah.
Definitely. Kurt, I appreciate it.
Yeah, this is
Thank
cool,
you so
man.
much.
Thank
It's
you.
fun to ride in a Bug for, it's been many years. This is cool.
See if I can swing this turd through here without bottoming out.
Hey, it did well.
It's all the decades of driving a lowered vehicle.
You're used to it.
Yeah. Air horn.
Straight in the center. Yep. That's cool. Got an air horn.
Oh yeah. Had to make it loud and obnoxious.
Man, this has been fun.
For sure. And it didn't fall down.
All right, everyone, we just got back from a ride in this 1963 Volkswagen Bug. I want to thank all of you for watching till the very end of this video, and I want to thank Kurt for showing off Cherry Bomb. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button down below for me. This is the best way to support my channel. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this one. We'll see you next time on Dude with an Auto Tude.